super pigmented. It's gonna look really fresh and young looking. Oh my god, you guys. Pag oh my god. 50-50. 50% pink, 50% orange. Feeling ko magiging vampire na siya. Hi guys! So for today's video, umaati ka bang lip swatch tayo? Kasama to sa listahan ng mga utang ko sa inyo, you guys. Kasi I just discovered a lip gloss na pigmented, really glossy, non-drying, creamy, easy to blend, easy to apply, really cute packaging, at higit sa lahat, super duper affordable. And I'm talking about yung PINKFLASH Watery Glow Hydrating Lip Gloss. You can also call it the creamy lip gloss because it's really creamy but you know glossy. And you guys, I'm in my lip gloss era, so alam mo yun, nangongolekta tayo ng mga lip gloss nowadays. And just look at the packaging, you guys. Very convenient, very easy to bring anywhere. And ito yung tsura niya. Ay, teka. Sorry. Nagamit ko na kasi to, no? Natry ko na siya. Ito yung applicator niya. It's a, I don't know what you call this applicator, like a sprout applicator. Pero pag pinindot mo siya, hindi naman overwhelming yung paglabas ng product. Yung cap niya, guys, is, I don't know if you can see sa loob, meron pang tusok. So, pag sinarado nyo yan, it's really secured, so hindi siya yung parang bubulwak or something like that pag naipit or pag nag-jumble-jumble na sa loob ng bag mo. So I love na secured yung packaging niya. So I have 7 shades in total, you guys. Nakasulat sa packaging yung shade. Unfortunately, hindi mo makikita like sa unang tingin ano yung shade na yon. Pero it's right here. And wala siyang kahit anong mga etche-baracheng promise. It just promised that it's going to give you pigment and gloss and dewy and really nice juicy lips. So without further ado, let's start with the swatches. So I have nothing on my lips. Let's start with a nude shade. This is NU01. This is supposed to be a nude shade, pero parang ang pigmented niya. Nakakalurk eh. Okay, let me start with a 1 layer. Okay, so this is NU01, 1 layer. It is a nude shade. It's like your lips, but better. Now let's try to build it up to another layer because you know naman me, I love me some full pack lip gloss. So yung opacity niya, guys, is 70 to 80%. So I can only give you an idea of the shade, pero yung final outcome pa rin is magbabase pa rin sa original lip color mo. Kung pale ang lips mo, mas kitang-kita ang shade na to. And if you have pigmented lips, mas magiging deeper siya. What I can say, you guys, is it can hide the lines on my lips. Kaya achieve na achieve yung juicy and plump, younger looking lips. So itong NU01 is a nude shade, pero it's more on like the peachy side based on my skin tone. Next shade, you guys, is OR01, and I'm assuming that's orange one. So this is OR1, you guys. Ang tindi ng pigment, no? Pag i-swatch ko sa arms ko. Wait, achieve natin yan. But, mag 1 layer muna tayo. OR01 is super pigmented. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, na-swatch ko na lahat yan. Some on my lips, some just on my arms. So, itong si OR, sa arms ko lang na-swatch to. So, nasyakit ako nung nilagay ko na sa lips ko. So, this is OR01, like 1 layer, and then smudged, and it is super duper pigmented, and it's a burnt orange shade. Kaya para dun sa mga burnt orange lovers dyan, this shade is for you. Personally, for me, I'm not a fan of burnt orange shades, pero this one in particular, hindi siya parang nagmumukhang kalawang, or hindi naninilaw yung teeth ko sa kanya, so that's good. But yeah, this is OR01. Guys, that's just 1 layer, ha? Should we go full pack? Hindi pa ba full pack to? Okay, let's add another layer. Oh my god, you guys. Pag oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. So this is OR01 in full pack color. Hindi pa full pack yung kanina. Ito ang full pack color. Lips fully covered. And what more can I say? Next shade, you guys, is RD01, and I'm assuming this is a red shade. Inuuna ko muna yung mga individuals, you guys, yung parang wala silang ka-family. Kasi yung pink, may dalawang pink, and then yung browns, may dalawang brown. So this is RD01, you guys. Pero para siyang red-brown sa unang tingin. So this is RD01, 1 layer smudged on my lips, and it is red, pero hindi siya yung parang classic red lipstick, pero yung red na red pigmented lips type. Does that make sense? I mean, if you have pigmented lips and it's on the reddish, parang ganito yung itsura niya. Pero dagdagan mo lang ng gloss. Parang ganon. So yeah, this is RD01, 1 layer smudged. Now let's go for another layer. Madali na naman siya i-apply using this applicator. Medyo tricky lang yung sa outer edges. Lalo na if you're like me na gusto talaga full pack ka. You're really gonna need the help of your fingers or a separate brush. Pero kung 1 layer smudge lang naman gusto mo, no problem. And of course, it will also help if you use a lip liner. Now, itong RD01, it is red, pero it's is more on a brownie type of red. And this gloss, maganda na siya as one layer. It's going to give you a really nice sheen. Pero ang regal ng itsura if it's like 2 layers. Okay, so browns or pinks? Let's go with the browns muna. Ihuli ko yung pink because I'm a pink girly. Nowadays at least. So first shade is the BB01. This one, you guys, is a really chocolatey, luscious shade. Okay, 1 layer. Okay, so if it's just 1 layer, you guys, the look will depend entirely on the color of your lips. And most of the time it's going to give you your lips but better, like your lips but pigmented and a little bit of sheen na para kang mukhang, you know, nag-lip balm lang. So this is BB01, like 1 layer and smudged. Now, full pack time. And it's a brown chocolatey shade with just a hint, just a little bit hint of red mixed in, pero predominantly brown talaga siya. It's like chocolate na may konting cherry. Parang ganon. And I kind of like this better than the red one, yung RD01, because I find that it suits my skin tone better. So yeah, this is BB01. Next shade, you guys, is BB02. Okay, so based on the swatch, BB02 is like deeper pa. Like way deeper pa. May i-deep pa yung brown talaga ba? Okay, 1 shade tayo. Ay! Oo nga, day. May i-deep pa yung brown. Oh my god. 1 layer pa lang. Super pigmented na. Like, super pigmented. Like, a little goes a long way. Pero syempre, depende pa rin sa lip tone mo ang kalalabasan nito. Because, like I said kanina, hindi pa rin siya like 100% opaque. Although, there are some shades na kapag ka naging 2 layers, it's really going to cover your entire lips. And I think this is one of the shades. Oh my god, this is BB02. This is BB02 for you. Pero alam mo, ang ganda na niya as 1 layer. Like, out of all the 1 layers, this one is my favorite. Parang kumapal yung labi ko sa kanya, no? Compared dun sa other shades, I don't know. May ginawa ba akong iba? Wala namang ginawang iba. Okay, sige. For fairness and equality sa ibang mga shades, full pack pa rin natin. Let's go. Feeling ko magiging vampire na siya. Alright guys, so this is the full pack color. BB01 is like brown, and then lagyan mo ng konting strawberry, so medyo bright red and brown. But BB02 is like brown and maroon, so it's way deeper. At pag finulpak mo, it's like a really vampy shade. So BB02 is definitely one of my favorites so far. Meron pa tayong pinks, and yung pinks ang talaga na-swatch ko sa lips ko, and I can't wait to show them to you. Abangan nyo, wait lang. Honestly, napansin ko sa mga to, they're like super pigmented. It's not just gloss. It's like as good as liquid lipstick na, but you know, in a glossy format. So yeah, this is BB02. We're down to my favorite part, which is the pink. Unahin natin PK01. So this is PK01. PK01, 1 layer. So this is PK01, 1 layer. Para ka lang talagang nag-lip balm. And it has a hint of peachy pink, pero predominantly on the pink side. It's gonna look really fresh and young looking. That's PK01 for you. Now let's go to the full pack color. So this is PK01 in full pack color, and compared doon sa mga previous shade, this one is mild naman. When it comes to the deepness of the shade, this one is fresh looking, young looking, vibrant, pero not overpowering. Really good for everyday use. So yeah, this is PK01. And last but definitely not the least, PK02. So ito ang difference ni PK02 kay PK01. Kitang-kita na PK02 is definitely deeper. 1 layer tayo, guys. Definitely mas deeper ang PK02. Mas pigmented siya with just 1 layer. But the same. Still fresh looking. Good for everyday. Ang ganda rin niya talaga as 1 layer. Pero syempre, ang habol talaga natin is 2 layers. Yung full potential. Alright guys, so this is PK02 in full pack color. Kung si PK01 is pinky peachy, this one is pinky orange. 50-50. 50% pink, 50% orange. Try to imagine that you get PK02. And lahat ng mga shades na to, guys, is warm tone. Wala dito ang cool tone. Even the pinks, walang ka-cool tone dyan. Just take note of that. Now, for PK2, it's not my favorite pink. I like PK01 better. Pero some of you might like this. Some skin tone might find this really flattering. Some skin tones lalabas yung pagka-pinky niya. Some skin tones lalabas yung pagka-predominantly orange. So, assess mo na lang yung sarili mo. Are you a pinky orange type of girl? But this shade is definitely good for daytime and for everyday wear. Alright guys, so shade recap tayo. the pinks, definitely go get all the pinks. So, depende sa preference mo, but get the pinks, okay? And I also suggest you get all the browns. The browns and the pinks are like super duper beta for me. Now, when it comes to individual shades, ang pinaka-favorite ko dito is the nude one, the NU01. The burnt orange one, maganda rin siya, but burnt oranges in general are not my favorite. Tapos yung red, I think a lot of skin tones will complement the red, but not for me, not on my skin tone and not my preference. Pero ang pinaka-favorite ko talaga are the pinks and the browns. Go get them. Alright guys, so yun na lahat ng lip swatch ng Pink Flash Watery Glow Hydrating Lip Gloss. In case you're interested to buy, I'm gonna link it down below. I do recommend I try nyo because I enjoyed lip swatching it. Maganda siya one layer kasi my god, super pigmented lahat. Pero bonggacious din siya if you're going to use it in full pack color. Ang dami magagandang shades and it's super duper affordable. Again, link down below. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!